I didn't know I was supposed to speak tonight, so I didn't prepare anything, but I'm very glad to be here. It's an excellent opportunity to meet some new faces and some old friends here. I don't come here very often, but I always take advantage of the fact that some of the friends are still here. We started this organization in 1964, and I remember at that time we needed 25 people to become members. And at that time we did not have that many chemistry majors. So we had to recruit some students from other departments to have enough units to become members of the UPLB Chemical Society. So we were able to round it 25 people, and at that time, we are actually ahead of our time because our organization was already an international organization. Our first president is Salahuddin Sulaiman. We used to call him Mona after the women athlete who sell in track and field at that time. And we had two, well, aside from Salahuddin, we had another one from Pakistan, the chef, Qatar. And we had another member of the society from Vietnam, Bottom Swan, who is now, I understand, is officially in Vietnam. So I'm very happy to be here and seeing that the organization we help funded is alive and well and doing very well. I'm very proud to be a member of this group. And as you can see, we have, if you look at the list of the names, we have a lot of people who have succeeded in their own career. And see, William Badlina, who is now the Deputy Director of ERI. Ernie Luis works at the DOST, and Dario is, where are you, Dario? Ernie, Dario, and I were the first graduate of the BS Chem curriculum. So we're very close because we were classmates in almost every chemistry classes. And sometimes there's only 4 or 5 of us in the class, so it was not a very big class. So I said I'm very happy to be here, and I don't know what else to say other than the fact that I feel very proud to be a member of this organization. Thank you very much.
Well, good evening. Really, we had no imagination during those days that the ChemSoc will grow to become one as being outstanding organization in the campus. And I recall that during our time, just for you to see the period when we organized the ChemSoc, at that time, we belonged to the first batch of the agriculture and chemistry curriculum, which is a 5-year course. And at that time, we as major pride in being able to help the students during the so-called review classes. The chemistry professors would give a long problem set. And we, major of chemistry, take pride in being able to solve all these problems. So at that time, in the old building, the building is open. We have a very close association with the janitor. We can just say, just leave it open and we will just close it at 10 o'clock or so. So those are the conditions. And the truth is, when it comes to the organization, during our sophomore year, the student body organization just had the so-called constitutional convention. And so we were privileged to attend the constitutional convention, and we understood how a constitution should be made. And during this year, third year, we are in the third year, I was the president of the junior class. And Louis Tolentino here was my vice president of the junior class. And Cartanio was the past president of the junior class. So that is the, just to give you an idea of the credential of the founders. Here, I got elected as the president of the student body organization, and Dr. Padulina was my vice president. So that's the thing. We excel as an organization. We also participated in debate, in quiz contest, and most of all, we became elected as officers of the various student organizations. So, kilala tayo. So, that therefore, it was good that we had this organization and are too happy that up to today, it is alive, successful, organization that is able to maintain such an activity. Ang alam ko, hindi masyadong makakuha tayo ng kapareho. Maintaining the so-called kapnayan every 3 years. And so, when you become alumni, I hope that you will remember that one time, when you were students, there's the kapnayan, and when you become alumni, please try to find time to help the Kakinkan students. Thank you.